I'm 63 now and I have no high blood pressure, no diabetes, no nothing at all.
Jamal's family, how you do? Awesome, awesome. You know, we highlight so much of the awesome products from here from Jamaica, and there's one that absolutely can't miss, and that's ginger, Jamaican ginger. On a broader scale though, ginger has been cultivated for thousands of years, and so valuable is ginger that they used to use it as currency. Yes, currency, and even had tax on ginger. Today we're going to look at ginger in a little more detail. Authentic Jamaican ginger, the wild ginger. And I'm with Marjorie, a farmer, female farmer, who's going to take us through this. Well, I'm going to actually share also some major health benefits of ginger. It is a potent, powerful medicinal plant as well. We're going to share that with you. Stay to the end though, because Ms Marjorie is going to give us a little farm tour. She has a farm, as I said, she's a farmer. We're going to get a little tour of her other farm as well. One thing though, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, for whatever reason, it's a good time now. Join us, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on all my new videos. Now, let's go. Alright guys, so here she is. This is she, Ms Marjorie. How you do? Say hi to the world.
I'm good.
Alright, and we're going further down now to the
ginger.
The ginger, wild ginger. The ginger.
The real ginger.
The real ginger.
Yes.
Alright, good. Let's go. The real Jamaican ginger, guys.
But because of the wind, a lot of things break down. You know. So, you know, it's fine. This is the real ginger. This is it.
This is the real Jamaican ginger.
More here. That is more up there. This is more here.
Yes.
This. This is it. And see a whole lot in here. These are ginger.
Okay.
Right. See some more up there.
Yes.
And some under these bushes
there.
Yes.
And this is deep rural, guys. We're in deep rural. We walk about 2 miles off the mean to come here. There's a lot of mangoes here.
Yes.
Under here. So we're away from civilization now. She brought me to this place to show me where the wild ginger is grown. And there's a lot of other fruit trees here. There's mango here, obviously. Apple and other stuff going on. And so this is a plant of it, Ms Marjorie.
Yes.
Is this as tall as it grows?
Yes.
Or shorter or taller? Is this typical of it?
It can be shorter.
So this is an unusual one, or it's just like this is typically how tall it grows?
Yes. It don't taller than this. The next one up there, it doesn't taller. Ginger does not grow up tall.
So this is about
like
1, 2, maybe 3, 4 feet.
Yes. It can be shorter too, like these.
And it's still ready.
Yes.
But on average, it's about that.
Yes.
And the leaves, for those who don't know, the leaves, it grows almost like a
bamboo.
Bamboo, yes, bamboo. Or its family, its related cousin, turmeric.
Oh, yes.
No, lie. The turmeric is broader.
Yes, the turmeric leaf different.
Yeah,
but
turmeric
people
leaf
always say turmeric is wild ginger.
Okay.
Some people terms it as
okay. But this look like a cane, bamboo. Sorry, not cane, bamboo. Bamboo leaf.
Yes.
And which is, and each leaf is probably about a foot. Is that about a foot long? Eh?
Yeah.
Give or take, or close to that. And then this is a mature one.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
And you say when it's ready, how do you know?
Well, when it's ready, it dries down. But before it's ready, what I did is to judge the root, and you have to notice it. Notice which end it comes from. So the end where it comes from now, you're gonna dig that end.
When you say it comes from, what do you mean?
All right. Ginger is a thing that grows from this end or this end.
Okay.
But this look like somebody did dig out this, so you know have the end where it come from. So you just have it. Okay, it come from this end. So you're gonna look for this end. This end is the mature end, and get it off.
I think piece cut off down there.
I know. So you're gonna get off here, because if you get off the whole here, you're not gonna have anything leave.
Yes.
So you get off this end. You get off this end and use it like this. So this end stay in the ground for next year.
Yeah, you put it back in the ground.
Right.
Yes, yes.
So, or if you like how you want to plant, you plant this end.
Uh-huh.
So this end you use this.
Uh-huh. All right. So bust it open. You have the knife. So good.
Yes. So only.
All right.
Yes.
So,
yes.
so this is a typical ginger. And notice, guys, notice that this ginger is not as big and bulky like the commercial one.
And it's yellow.
Yes, it's have a more yellowish look. Have a more yellowish look. Yes. But this is the real. This is a pepper. It's more spicy and pepper than the commercial one.
Yes. Yes. Very.
Yes. This
very
is the bad.
hot.
Yeah. This is.
So when you put your tongue on that yellow part, it's burned.
All right. I'm gonna put my tongue on it and see.
Yes, it's burned. Your tongue on that yellow part, it's burned.
Yeah, man. It's spicy. It's
yes.
spicy.
Yes.
So this is the real ginger. This is not the. I won't call any other name, any other nationality, but this is the Jamaican ginger. We're proud of it, guys. This is it. This is it. Take a good look. This is it. But you know the actual leaves. People use the leaves as well. The leaves to make tea as well, right?
And I didn't know.
Yes, man.
So this you use here you plant.
You plant back. Okay.
Yes.
Nice, nice. So these are actually ready now, ready to use. Ready
yes.
Ready to harvest.
Ready to harvest.
So this is it, guys, and I'm gonna explore now a little bit of tradition, a local knowledge now. Hear from Ms Marjorie, aka Katie. What she know about ginger, the history, the tradition, the culture. Miss Katie, all right. First of all, what do you know about ginger? This kind of ginger.
What I know about this type of ginger is that it's a good remedy for belly ache. Right? It's a good remedy for diarrhea. Yes, that's what I know, and it's very flavorful.
For food.
Right, for your drink, for your curry, for your rice and peas, or whatever else you might want to put it in. But I know this is a plant that everyone should keep in their backyard. If it's too little plant, you don't have to plant a whole lot, but even a little bit, keep it in your backyard. Yes.
For obvious reason. For the flavor, for the food, and for the medicinal aspect of it.
Yes, right. And health-wise, I heard that it's good for your skin.
But you know your stuff, man.
Yes, it's good for your skin.
All right, so how do you traditionally use it, Miss Marjorie, aka Katie?
Well,
how you use it?
How me use it now? Art. Like I wake up in the morning and I would feel my tummy like it hurt. I would just get peas, wash it, beat it up.
When you say peas, how big?
Well, it all depends on how you like it. Because some people like their ginger strong, you know, and some doesn't like it burn. Like, you know, it's very
peppery.
Yes,
spicy.
so it depends on how you like it, how strong you like it. But me now would just use these two pieces, this and this. Just beat them up, wash them, clean them, beat them up. I'll put them in a clean plastic bag, because you know when you beat them the juice come out. So when I put them in a clean plastic bag now, I just weed it up and I just take the hammer to just knock it, and then I just throw it in the pot.
So keep
when
all
the
the juice
water
in there.
boil, right. So and then I just turn off the stove and strain it off and just take a little like that. No sugar.
No sugar.
No sugar. No sugar. Just
sugar.
a little like that.
So, you know,
and it ease my belly ache. Yes.
And that's how most people tradition. I mean, you grew up seeing your foreparents doing it like that.
Yes. Yes.
So you know this is a good life though, because this stuff to get, you just basically pull it from your backyard or wherever here, down in the bushes here.
Yes.
And do it natural, right? You don't have to buy. You don't get nothing in no supermarket. And
no. And then you plant here. So you're gonna break it here. Use here, plant here.
Okay.
You break it right here. See it there? You break it right here. You plant here. This is another one that's gonna come up. And you use this part. Right.
And that's a little bonus for you guys. The plant here, you basically, if you want to plant it in the backyard, you basically you don't need anything special. You just dig it and put it in the earth.
Right. And if you don't have the space, you just get a old pan that you wash in, that mash up, that bath pan, you can get that and just put it in, because it's not something what go down. It's more severe on the surface, like.
Ah, close to the surface.
Right. Where you can just scratch and you saw it.
So you don't need to dig deep to put it in. You just put a little dirt over it.
No, just put a little earth over it. Right.
So that is how you use it, and that's how we typically use it for medicine, for digestion, indigestion, and stuff like that.
Right. Right.
Okay. All right. Tell me now, how do you use your ginger? Especially if you have the original Jamaican one. I want to know. I want to hear from you guys. Oh, look at this one here.
Yes, that's how it is.
Somebody didn't. Okay.
So you're gonna, if you want this to use, drinks, right, anything. But if you want this to use, you're gonna cut it here, right? And you're gonna push on the ear, and you bring up. Right, but these fine. You see how this fine? But as you see, this is growing because it's time for it now to grow.
But you know, and I guess guys, this is a farmer, and we're gonna show you her farm as well. But now we're talking about the ginger. But you know, it is loaded with health. It's a powerful remedy, her natural remedy. So I'm gonna share a little bit of that with you, Miss Katie.
Yes.
Miss Katie, aka Ms Marjorie, aka Katie, with you, as well as you guys who are watching right now. But give Miss Katie a thumbs up right now for me now, with her willingness and her knowledge with us. All right. Number one, anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains powerful compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body. You didn't know that?
Oh no.
All right. Inflammation, good for that. Digestive aid. It can alleviate digestive issues like bloating and gas, and is known to promote healthy digestion. That is what you're talking about. Bloating, gas, that feeling that you get in the belly.
Yes.
It's an effective remedy for nausea, especially during. Oh, mango! Mango falling off a tree, guys. We thought it was a wild pig. I heard there's a wild pig here. There's a wild boar here in the bushes, but no, it's just mango. Number 11 falling off a tree here, post burial. All right. So yes. Nausea, especially during pregnancy and motion sickness. You know that though?
Yes.
Yes. It can help relieve pain as well.
Yes.
Including headaches and menstrual discomfort due to its analgesic properties. Yes. Number 4. Number 5, it's an immunity booster. Yeah, man. Ginger supports the immune system, helping to fend off colds and infection. You know that. You're supposed to know that. Well, you use it for the digestion, but
yes,
a lot of Jamaicans use it for the immunity boosting, you know.
And I know
it's
for diarrhea.
Yes. Also, number 6, studies suggest that ginger can help improve blood sugar level and insulin sensitivity.
Okay.
Yes, man. So now you can feel proud of your ginger farm. Although here, actually, you indicate that this is wild grown.
Yes.
Totally wild grown.
Right.
You do some farming of ginger.
People them that plant this place died a long time. As you can see, there is no more farm.
Yes.
But ginger doesn't die.
Yes.
So you will find the ginger.
Exactly.
Ginger doesn't die.
Yeah, awesome. It's stay on the ground, and when it's ready, come up back.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Ginger doesn't die.
Number 7, heart health. Ginger, this same bad boy here, they say, Miss Katie, not Katie, Katie, may actually lower cholesterol and improve circulation. Yes, man. So use up your ginger. And number 8, for this one, a lot of people jump on this one. Weight management. It can actually boost your metabolism and help with weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness, meaning you eat less. Yeah, man. More ginger meaning you eat.
I mean, that's what happened to me, because I mean, I don't eat like how some people that have a big meal.
Yes.
No, that's not me.
Yes.
That's not me.
I just
still
eat
moving around. And I just
Are you good?
Yes, I'm good. I'm good.
Well, ginger does that. Thank you. Antioxidants. Ginger is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and free radicals, guys. And number 10, improve circulation, Miss Katie.
No wonder why I live so healthy.
Yeah, man.
Because I'm 63 now, and I have no high blood pressure, no diabetes, no nothing at all.
Magnificent, man. Magnificent.
No,
good.
nothing. Megan, I was 63.
Yeah, You're going good, man.
Yes.
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all.
Guys, did you hear that? Nothing at all.
Nothing.
No sickness at all. To God be the glory to.
Yes.
It can enhance, finally, it can enhance blood flow and circulation. All right, so which is beneficial for overall cardiovascular health. So people with them swelling and swell foot and inflammation and circulation problem, use up your
ginger.
Of course, of course.
And if you plant the ginger, when the time the ginger drying down, it won't grow, but that doesn't say it died. Leave it until when the ginger ready to grow, you will see it pop up.
Lovely, lovely. I want to hear from you guys what you're learning, what jumped out at you out of the 10 health benefits of ginger. And this ginger is original, traditional, wild grown, wild crafted, organic Jamaican ginger. No pesticide, no fungicide. You notice it's no manure, nothing. It just grow in the bushes here under the mango tree, over the under the bamboo tree, and so on and so forth. And by the way, guys, traditional authentic Jamaican ginger is just one of the many products that we have, original Jamaican products we have on our e-store. There's a link in the description to it as well, and we have it in powdered format. All right, check the link in the description. Lots and lots of good ginger here, guys. This is again
the ginger like cool place. It doesn't like in the sun. You see, like you plant cayenne and pine in the sun, it doesn't like it.
I can see.
It doesn't like it. It like this place. Yes.
All right. What question you have about ginger, guys? Put it in the comment now. I want to hear from you. We have a little bonus for you. We're gonna actually go to the farm and check out Ms Marjorie, aka Katie. She has a farm with other stuff, so we're gonna do a farm tour with you. So stay with me. So guys, all right. So big up again, Miss Marjorie. Yeah, man, we're heading out to the farm. Give her a thumbs up as she goes, guys. Cinnamon leaf. You have cinnamon too? Okay, cool. Okay. Number 11 mango on the ground. Oh, cinnamon tree. Okay. Well, I love the country life, to be honest with you. I love it.
Right here.
Cinnamon tree.
Yes, it was right here.
And it wouldn't be burial, I take it down, not you?
No.
No. Okay.
Oh,
so let me show you, we're giving you bonus content here, guys. Guys, so almost a Miss Beryl, Lord have mercy. Miss Marjorie, I'm gonna show you what the turmeric is. I haven't used it or seen it, see? So it again looks similar, pretty similar. And this one is fresh and clean and what is that? Orange color. This is it, and this is the piece that
you use.
This you use now.
And this is a piece that you plant.
Plant back, all right. Yeah. So you can see how relatable they are, the ginger and the turmeric, the cousin. Yes. All right. there's a video. We have a link in the description. You can check it out to read more about. To learn more about.
Good too.
Learn more about turmeric. But this is it.
Yes.
Real stuff. All right. And this is another spot for the wild hog.
Yes.
All right, guys. So there's a wild hog here. We learn about. Come out in the nights. Come out in the night. Just one sad moment, just one sad point of note, guys. This is a nutmeg tree, a famous nutmeg tree. Ms Marjorie told me always have nutmeg on it. Always have nutmeg, but it was taken down by Miss Beryl. Taken down. Oh, see? Taken down by Miss Beryl. Wow. And this is a big one. Wow, this was a big one. This was a big one. Yeah, there's one in here. Under the ground. Someone out here. Yeah. Wow. Beryl took the nutmeg tree down. This one is shaking, so this is good.
Yes, if you shake, it's good.
Yeah. It's shaking. Okay.
He feels so sad about it, man. But
that's how it goes.
Yes.
Win some, you lose some.
Yes.
nature in its glory, guys. Here in the hills. Wow. Jamaican river. Beautiful wind blowing, guys, and we are here. We are now at Ms Marjorie's farm, her little farm. But this is bonus stuff for giving, you know. I told you I'm gonna do a little farm tour with her. You can see pineapple already. This one cut and put down already. Yeah. So this is our pineapple. This is a pineapple. You call this a pineapple farm, Ms Marjorie?
Yes, pineapple. Plant the row them wide. So between the rows, you notice you have plantain. Freeze blow down. You have plantain and then you plant yam. Yes, between it. So
okay.
You know.
So I noticed the pineapple kind of surround this little area here.
Yes.
Pineapple up and around, and then in between you have
plantain.
Where's the plant? Oh, plantain, yes.
Yes,
Plantain, yes.
Because the rows due to I plant them wide, so I can plant other stuff.
Yes.
You know, like yam, yellow yam. In the middle,
yes.
plantain.
Yes. Nice planting them, man. They look firm and stern.
Yes. But the blow down, you know. So
yeah, the younger one though. And so, oh, this one blow down, so you cover it.
Yes, buried, blow it right. So I
buried.
cover it so so you have yellow yam.
Buried now, never move right.
And you have pineapple.
No, this one look a little different. Is that different? Is it because it's
this
young?
Is sugar pine.
Okay, green and...
This is sugar pine. This is
okay.
sugar pine.
Alright.
This is, some people call it bullhead.
Well,
whatever.
How you know the difference? You can just look at it and tell the difference?
Yes. So if you plant pine, you will know the difference.
Okay. And you have some nice juicy sugar cane here.
Yes.
Sugar cane, guys. Sugar cane. Yes. What kind of sugar cane is that?
That is white stripe. That is a white cane. Here.
Okay.
And these are pineapple.
More pineapple. So pineapple is your main product. Is the main thing you farm?
Yeah,
corn.
Most of it is pineapple, you know. But I farm every little thing, like planting as you can see. And that is more pine here.
More pine here? Okay.
Yes. This is corn.
Yeah, man, they look nice and fresh.
Yes. So
nice and fresh. So in a few months? Now, how long before these corn?
You know, I mean,
never check it.
Never check it out.
Just leave it to nature. When it come, it come.
Right.
Pumpkin too.
Yes, I plant. Sometimes I plant pumpkin and a pumpkin that I carry to market and sell.
Yeah.
And these are sugar pines.
Yes.
But they're not really ready yet.
But they're big man.
Yes.
You put anything on them?
No, you know. No, I see two more.
All natural?
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. A blessing. And then you
that's not mine.
That's not yours.
That is the Rasta. The
Rasta man.
Buried blew it like that, so.
Buried blew him.
Stay there and fit, so.
Yes. Buried blew the pine over your part.
Yes.
I mean the pine up. They planted. What else you have down there? You have coconut. You dash with the banana here, Ms Marjorie. You dash with the banana here. Or the pineapple here. The pineapple there.
I may put it up. I may put it down here and they just stay there. Right. So I mean that always spoil me, but. Mommy, you put down something and then right.
Hold on, I see something here, man. Oh, is that sorry, Lampsey? Oh, this is fever grass, guys. And this is fever grass. This is fever grass, no, not lemongrass. Fever grass.
This same is the same.
No, they have a difference. I learned there's a difference.
True?
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, we have a video on that, guy. The fever grass versus lemongrass in the description. They're actually a little different, man.
Okay.
But this now is sorrel.
Yes, sorrel.
Nice and fresh and pretty.
They call African wine.
Oh, so that's what they call it?
That's what I heard.
Okay.
My dad always says it's African wine.
African wine?
Yes.
And
these now, you know, they got to transplant like these.
Transplant them to
pull them out, yes.
Okay.
And plant them out.
Okay. And by December, them ready?
Yes.
December, you get sorrel.
Yes, sorrel.
Nice.
Sorrel.
Nice.
Honey banana can cut for you guys.
Honey banana, no, we love it, you know, man. We love honey. The favorite banana, that's it.
Okay.
Ripe banana. When you talk about ripe banana, honey banana, There's no banana like honey banana. Alright, if you agree with me, tell me in the comments. No man, seriously, it's nice when it ripe.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Nice.
know, it's a lot of time I give it away, you know.
Uh-huh.
Oh, here is another ginger plate.
Yes. Nice little patch. Oh, so this is again the original Jamaican spice ginger. Alright, so we say we're getting honey banana.
Yes.
To God be the glory. Go on again. Whee!
Guys,
Yes, man. Blessing upon blessing.
Yes.
And this is say the ginger.
Ginger, yes.
Yes. All right, the original ginger. More of it.
That we are Carol guys today. Is there I get this?
Yes, I can. I remember you told me.
Yes.
I remember you told me. Nice. All right. Then a few months these will be ready.
Right. And ginger, you can get ginger right now.
Yeah, not trouble them though. Can we get
No.
I
won't do that.
Nice. We have mango tree here.
Yes.
In the background.
Almost finished. Yeah, stringy mango.
Apple tree there in the background.
Yes.
Breadfruit tree.
It's me plant the breadfruit tree.
Nice in the background.
And there's a plum down there.
Plum down there.
Yes.
Almond over there.
Yes.
A tall big almond tree. Tropical almond there. We, by the way, guys, we actually have almond. There's a link in the description. We actually sell this stuff, you know. I sell the almond, you know. Yeah, man. Link in the description to that. Coconut, a young coconut plant here.
Yes,
Cool.
and there's
Bonus stuff.
Plum tree.
Plum.
Oh,
Oh yes, that's the plum tree. That's a plum tree down there. Yeah, need a little cleaning up. You're doing well, man. And so Ms Marjorie, is you basically do all of this farming yourself?
Yes.
What you saying?
I was living with this man and things wasn't working out.
Yeah.
I got this pine for you guys.
We can eat it right now, you know.
The pine?
Yes, man.
You have knife?
I left a knife. We're going to use the machete, man. We'll cut it in a four.
Lord.
Yeah, man. That's how we're going to eat it, man. We eat it. We know the jungle style, you know, Ms Marjorie. Yes, man. We have a machete in the bag, you know. Oh, yeah, you have machete too. Pine time. Passion fruit?
Yes, passion is your plant passion there.
Nice.
And I plant star fruit over that side.
Oh, you have it all here. What a blessing. All right, so we're going to take a little refreshment. Cut it up. Boss, man, bust it and eat. We eat it, man. Bust it in a four, man. Refreshment time, man. We're doing refreshment time now, guys. Pine. We come a pine farm. Come a Ms Marjorie farm. And we make sure we replenish the energy.
Oh, you're going to cut it like this?
Yes, you cut it down, eh? Go down and then across.
Because I never eat it like this, you know.
Yeah, man.
I always peel it.
No, sir. When we do a bush, we just, you know, machine.
So you not scratch your mouth?
No, man. Go down. We're going to show you, man. All right. And then you cut it the other way.
I know.
Nice. Looking good. All right. Nice. Cut it again, man. One more time.
Oh, cut it so again.
Same way. Yeah, we can cut it again.
Okay.
Same way again. And then we just eat it right across. Nice. Lunchtime, guys, in Ms Marjorie farm. Pineapple.
Like this?
Yes. And pineapple actually is very nutritious too.
I know.
Yeah, man. Very new. We actually have another video on pineapple. Link in the description. Guys, link in the Thank you, Ms Marjorie. Watch me now eat my pine. Watch me eat my pine. Alright, so no more delay. Pine time. See, guys, so sweet. This is the life, guys. No.
Like when me have enough, you would have just slow no make no eat. Can me have a whole lot enough. Then slow make no eat.
No, when you walk up and down with me. And this is what is left of it, guys. That was lovely. Thanks again, Ms Marjorie. Yeah. Pine bad, man. Yeah. Pine bad. We call it again sugar pine.
Which one?
Bullhead.
The bullhead, yes.
Bullhead, man. That's strong, sweet bullhead. That.
Yes.
Guys, Miss Marjorie. Oh, you have some more pepper and stuff up here to plant.
Yeah, man. Me okay, I'm gonna give somebody.
Okay, nice. But boy, you love work. I can see your work. The lady come over here, guys, and start clean up. Arrowroot, yes man. Original Jamaican arrowroot. I remember. Thank you.
Arrowroot, you don't have to make porridge.
Are you going to show them?
Yes.
Alright. Bonus on top of bonus. I'll show you guys, for those who don't remember, this is the arrowroot plant. Traditionally it's used to make a porridge, just like a plantain porridge, right?
Right.
Similar to how you make the plantain porridge. Yes. The arrowroot.
This is the arrowroot. This is it. This you grater and squeeze it out. So when you squeeze out, you let it dry and take what dry to make the porridge.
And the juice is throw away.
Yes.
Alright. Jamaican arrowroot, remember it? I was just saying to you guys, Miss Marjorie here is a worker, you know, man. She came and meanwhile we eating our plants, she clean up and look at this. She cut all of this stuff and throw it around. Alright, what else you have to show us? Banana here, I see here. Growing up as well. Going farm tour with Ms Marjorie. Passion fruit. Yeah, the passion fruit here. So the passion fruit can be eaten raw, like that, right?
Yes.
So this one is ready? Like this one?
It just starts.
That's turned already yet. Okay, but someone is going here. Yes. This one is ready?
This one is ready.
Oh, nice. Who remember the passion?
This is sweet potato.
Oh, you sweet potato. A good thing me come, man. You never remember if you tell about the sweet potato and them look fresh. Sweet potato look rosy.
So one look like you're right. What me out and really cut it in. Yes, it's ready. Two, wow, more than one, two.
Yeah.
This is the size of them.
What?
Yes.
This is huge.
And
this is huge.
Yes.
Wow.
And this is another one.
And it's ready as well?
Yes, it's ready
as well. This can weigh about 4 pounds, eh?
Yes.
Or 5 pounds? Wow. You are doing well and I salute you. As a woman, a single woman.
Yes.
And
you have those are sugar pines. Coffee.
A corn!
Yes. Here. You can have it.
Thank you. A corn. This one good for soup or roast?
Yes, anyhow you want it. And this is another type of pine. We call it honeycomb.
Honeycomb.
Yes, you see as green as it is, it's sweet.
Nice.
Breadfruit tree.
Yes. And they have a lot of breadfruit on it. So why not no berry in the past here, man? Better give that one a break.
Whoa,
wow, coconut. Ooh. What a blessing. Ian. And typically guys, if you're the bush and you want to carry stuff, you get a banana bark we call it, no?
And tight.
And tight. Alright. This is lovely. And guys, we're here in the thunders, so nature is giving us clear indication of what's going to happen a little later on. So we're going to try and make our way out of the farm now in the hills. Here, more potato. Beautiful looking potato patch. Well done, Ms Marjorie, man. Single woman.
Yes.
Do our thing. You know, Miss Katie.
Yeah, Byron. It's a may go out.
Oh, the replant. You know, sir, I brought chocolate for you. Remember the chocolate tea?
Yes,
you remember?
Of course, yes. The coconut milk and the nutmeg and the cinnamon leaf.
Yes, man, and this asham.
Okay,
original
thanks.
Jamaican asham.
Yes, thank you.
Look a token. All right.
Yes,
yeah, man, blessings. Thank you too.
Yes.
Wow, it has been great.
Yes.
Thank you. Wow. Chocolate, guys. Old time Jamaican chocolate. One more thing, Miss Marjorie. Miss Cathy. If anybody watching wants to get in touch with you for whatever reason, whether they want you to do a show with your agricultural products, or they want to donate something, or want whatever reason, or they want to buy some of your stuff, your pineapple, because you always seem to have pineapple, is there a way they can contact you? Is there a phone number?
My number is 594-9907.
And of course 876.
Yes.
Alright. Yes. Also in the description, guys, repeat it for me. Repeat it.
594-9907.
Alright, lovely. Thank you. Ms Marjorie, guys, and Jamaican ginger, wild ginger. And the bonus farm tour. I need to pause now and share this video. Come on, pause and share this video with someone right now who needs to be aware, needs to know, needs to be educated on all these things about ginger. Share it, man. There's another video you need to see as well, and that's the one with another product, equally powerful, and it's from the same family, and it's Jamaican turmeric. I did that with Tanya and Ms Joy in the hills of Hanover. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.